Hey everyone, this is your overview video for day 7. So we're going to go into our online distance folder, into Unit 4 into the digestive system. So for day 7 we're continuing with the digestive system. And so what I have for you is this digestive system gizmo. And what that is it's an interactive kind of like a lab. Since we can't, get into the digestive system or anything like that, we'll do it virtually. And you are going to open this link right here, and it's going to open up a document that looks like this right here. And so this is a link. You can actually click into the website, and then you're going to have to log into it. If you don't log into it, it's only going to give you like a trial, like 5 minutes, and then it'll kick you out. So make sure that you log into that using this username and password here. And then you just need to search for the digestive system and then launch that. So there's 2 prior knowledge questions here. Why do we need to eat food? And how do you think our bodies break food down into useful nutrients? So then the gizmo, you're going to have to set it up. It's going to tell you exactly what to do, and it'll make more sense when you get onto it. And so what it wants you to do first is kind of like identify the different organs. So there's large organs that make up the digestive system and small organs, and you're going to identify the function of each of them. And then you're going to start to build a digestive system. Now, you've only gone through the notes, so you may not be too familiar with it, which is completely fine. This is kind of a trial and error type thing. It actually has you take, like the mouth and the pharynx and the different parts and actually put them into a digestive system, and then you can actually give it food, and then have it go through the digestive system, and then it's going to talk about how much it actually digested, how much it absorbed, and then from there, you can figure out, was it a good digestive system? Is something out of place? Do I need to add something? Take something out? All that kind of stuff. So again, it's a trial and error kind of thing. So you might not have it 100% the first time, and that's completely fine. Just try a couple times. So I want you to fill in this document as you're going through that gizmo there. And then this right here is just like a labeling. It just has a picture of the digestive system with the main parts, and it'll give you, I think, 2 tries. And so if you don't do it 100% right the first time, go ahead and do it the second time. It's just dragging and dropping things on the picture. Alright, that's day 7 for you.